Hey everyone, we have some exciting news. We've updated our website. Now it's even easier to order floor plans. We've created a showcase where you can preview the contents and choose the right set for you. And we've also revamped the order form. Ready to dive in? How to place an order. Choose the set that fits your needs. You can see what's included in each one. We've provided detailed descriptions and visual representations of what you'll receive. You'll find the following available sets: Pro Set, Basic Set, Plus Set. Additionally, sets coming soon are available for pre-order. Render Set, set with renderings and branding. To pre-order, click Pre-order and fill out the form. We'll then contact you with instructions on how to get early access to these sets. Let's get back to ordering the available sets. After choosing a set, click Place an Order. Depending on the set you selected, a pop-up will appear. Let's walk through the order process for the Pro Set. Step 1. Select the type of property. Choose the number of floors, apartments in the property. Step 2. Choose the style. Select the view from the window. Step 3. Upload your files. Add your logo. Provide a link to your website. Leave any additional comments for us if you wish. Step 4. Review your order. If you want to make changes, go back a step. Before proceeding to payment, enter your email. Identify yourself. Select company or personal. If you have a promo code, you can enter it here. The new price will be displayed. Use promo code GETSTART to get a 35% discount. Step 5. Payment. Check your email for accuracy. Enter first name, last name, country, phone number. Choose a payment method and enter the details to complete your purchase. Done. We've received your order and our AI has started working on it. You'll receive the results within 24 hours after payment via email. We're constantly updating to make things even more convenient for you. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest and most innovative tips on selling real estate and staying ahead of your competitors.